the repeated or recurrent sneezing is very common. Sneezing, recurrent sneezing is almost always allergic. The recurrent sneezing is always allergic, so you can try to find out to which you are allergic, or you can simply do an allergy test, allergy veg panel test, allergy non-veg panel test, and allergy dust panel test. So if you do allergy veg and non-veg panel test, you can simply come to know which are the food items you are allergic to. So it can be allergic to dates or almonds or milk or egg or spinach, anything. So you can simply avoid or reduce that type of food, and the sneezing can significantly reduce. Second thing you can do is you can go for an injection called Histoglobe injection. Histoglobe injection is one injection which can significantly reduce the sneezing issues. It can be taken once a week for around 4 weeks, and once you take that, usually patients say that the sneezing significantly reduces. The other things you can go for swine flu vaccination or pneumococcal vaccination. After going for this vaccination, you can be prevented from these infections, as well as many of the times the altered immunity can significantly reduce the sneezing problem. These are the things that you can do, and the medicines which are like montelukast, levocetirizine, fexofenadine, these medicines are very commonly used for sneezing, and these medicines are very safe, especially over a long time of period also. So these medicines can be definitely used to control the sneezing, and taking steam can also significantly reduce the congestion in the nose, and it can significantly reduce the sneezing as well. That's all. Thank you.